Hey everybody, welcome back to The Way of Ramen. Today we are playing with a package of instant ramen and doing an experiment that I've seen a few times from Japanese YouTube. They say that you can create a bowl of ramen that's pretty close to Tonkotsu ramen using soy milk. Now, real Tonkotsu ramen is made from boiling pork bones for hours and hours, and I just don't see how adding soy milk to instant ramen is gonna taste like that. But I had to give it a try and report on the results, so let's get right into it. So the actual ramen itself is very quick. It is instant ramen after all. So let's spend some time making some toppings first. Pour some water over some dehydrated wood ear mushrooms to rehydrate them, and then slice them into thin strips. Into a small pan, heat up some sesame oil. Add the mushrooms and stir fry them for a few minutes. Now if you cook these for too long, they start to pop like popcorn and start jumping out of the pan. So as soon as they start hissing at you, take them off the stove and let them cool down. Chop up some green onions. Add some sesame seeds to a suribachi pestle and grind them up. Now let's make the soup. Into a pot, add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of original flavored soy milk. Add 1 tablespoon of lard to add some porky flavor. And add 1 package of the soup base powder from your instant ramen. Stir to combine and heat this thing up. Now soy milk can boil over if it gets overheated, so be careful and watch it. Drop your block of noodles into a separate pot of boiling water and cook them for 2 minutes. While the noodles are cooking, add your heated soup to a bowl. Strain your noodles well and add them to the soup. Add the toppings that you prepared, and if you have it, some pickled ginger. And your bowl of fake tonkotsu ramen is complete. Now when I tasted this, it was pretty impressive. The mouthfeel is creamy and very, very close to actual tonkotsu ramen. Now I won't fool you if you've had real tonkotsu ramen before because it's a little sweet from the sugar and the soy milk, but it is delicious. It's definitely worth a try at least once, and it's definitely better than most ramen hacks you'll see out there. I'll link the soy milk and the instant ramen that I used in the description, but I think it should work with most brands. Just avoid vanilla flavored soy milk and avoid unsweetened soy milk. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me.